Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to start with HTML and CSS. First, understand that HTML provides the structure for your web pages, like the bones of a body. CSS then adds the style, making it look good with colors, fonts, and layouts. Think of it as building a house. HTML is the blueprint and framework, while CSS is the interior design and paint. Mastering these two is your gateway to creating engaging web experiences. To begin, you'll need just two main tools. First, a good text editor is crucial. I recommend Visual Studio Code for its features and ease of use. Second, a web browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox will display your creations. You don't need any complex server setups or expensive software. Simply open your code files directly in your browser to see your progress instantly. It's a straightforward setup, allowing you to focus on learning. Let's dive into basic HTML structure. Every HTML file begins with doctype HTML and the HTML tag, which encapsulates all your content. Inside HTML, you'll find the head and body sections. The head holds important information about the page, like its title, which isn't directly visible. All the content you see on the web page, from text to images, resides within the body tags. Start with simple tags like P for text and H1 for a main title. Now, let's add some style with CSS. You'll typically link an external CSS file to your HTML document using a link tag placed within the head section. In your CSS file, you'll write rules that target specific HTML elements, applying properties like color, blue, or font size, 16px. Experiment with different properties to see how they transform your page. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be building beautiful, responsive websites.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.